So a proxy server acts on behalf of the sender and the receiver in the end-to-end communication, allowing them to send and receive packets to each other indirectly. So this is a common way to either protect user identity online or allow users to bypass filtering, as communication will only show the user talking to the proxy server and not who they're talking to on user's behalf. Proxy servers have become huge over the last few years, with them being quite commonly used by lots of people, and it doesn't necessarily mean you're doing illegal things by using a proxy server. It might just be some people just really do believe in protecting their own identity when online. They don't like this idea of people being able to see what they're doing, even if they're not doing anything wrong. They just don't like that sort of big brother sort of idea. So the way a proxy server works is, oh sorry, oh, I've lost the thing. Here you go. The way a proxy server works is, imagine that's you. So they're obviously really basic, but you've got an IP of 1.1.1.1. What you do is you communicate with a proxy server, let's say IP 2.2.2.2. And within the data that you send to that proxy server, it tells the proxy server where to go on your behalf. So the proxy server will go to the destination that you want, and that all the destination sees is communicating with 2.2.2.2. So that makes you completely anonymous, because your IP is not within that communication at all. The destination will then send the response back to 2.2.2.2, and that will send it back to you, 1.1.1.1. So because of that, your ISP, your internet service provider, only sees that you're communicating with 2.2.2.2, and doesn't see who they're communicating with on your behalf. And then the people who they're communicating with on behalf don't see you at all. They just see they're communicating with the proxy, not with you at all. So it completely protects your identity online. And the only person that could know what you're doing is the proxy server itself. But as most proxy servers, because it wouldn't be a very good business without it, because it's all about protecting your identity, they don't keep records or anything. But it's usually a paid-for service. I don't know. I know there are some free ones out there, but I don't know how good they are or what they do. But there are quite a lot of commonly paid-for proxy servers now. And yeah, that's what a proxy server is. So it's somebody else doing your bidding on the internet on your behalf, protecting your identity.